Isaiah is super excited today because we're checking out a Seawind 1260 with Shawn Owen from Sail Away Catamarans. Seawinds are made in Australia and feel like a really solidly built ocean-going cat. They've got some cool features like these tri-fold doors that open up like this, creating a very open living space between the cockpit and the salon. I also really like the dual helm configuration in the cockpit.
Nice. I mean, that's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So then, Shawn, do you kind of like, that's your nav station while you're underway and on passage and so forth?
Yep.
That's
and
cool.
then this becomes the nav station when we really got to pull a chart out.
Okay. Yeah.
And do stuff. This is the buffet table kind of set up.
Okay.
You have walk around. And then this is for if you're doing computer work or if you want to draw or something where it's a little bit closer on the table.
Wow.
And that's where I like to keep it so you can get forward.
Yeah.
It still holds 6 people.
Yeah, that's nice.
Those open too.
No, they did a lot of just little tweaks that are really clever.
Next we went down into the owner's hall. We will find the owner's cabin, head with a stand-up shower, and access to the portside engine room.
You guys like Baltimore?
Yeah.
What do you think, honey?
Yeah.
Get down an apple sweatshirt.
Yeah, hold on. Chris isn't one.
I don't know. I hope this is not your
Yeah, buddy. That's cool.
Okay.
The bathrooms are separate.
Yeah, a bunch of my friends. We work at the bar, Parks and Rec.
Yeah.
I was kind of there.
I like all the open. This is, I mean, like, think about being here in the galley. You're making stuff. You can just look out at the water. Yeah.
What are those for pots?
Yeah, these hold your pots when you're underway. So if you're, you know, in a seaway and the boat's moving around, that just keeps your pots still.
It's a bad joke from the
They have deep and tiny fingers.
I know, it's awesome, buddy.
We have like a 9-piece reggae band.
Ooh, I didn't see that.
Can I sneak past you, buddy?
It's like, yeah.
Thank you. This would probably be your room here, Isaiah. You would. Oh, really? What do you think about this boat, Isaiah?
I think it could be our future boat.
Yeah.
And I really like it.
Up on deck, the Seawind has some really cool features like the anchor-led forward, the triple lifelines, and the self-tacking jib. One of the things I really liked about the salon was just how open it was with all the windows. And the two center forward windows both fully open so you can get a really good breeze through the salon. The davits for your dinghy are underneath the solar panel, as you can see here. Thanks again, Shawn, for an awesome tour. We really appreciated it.